Ever worried about an old SSH key potentially giving someone unwanted access to your GitHub repositories? It's time to tighten up your security. Let's walk through the steps to remove an SSH key from your GitHub account. First, make sure you're logged into your GitHub account. Find your profile picture, usually in the upper right corner, and click it to open the drop-down menu. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find a variety of options to customize your account. In the left-hand menu, look for SSH and GPG keys and click on it. This is where your keys are listed and managed. This page will show you all the SSH keys currently associated with your account. You'll see the keys listed with details like their name, the last time they were used, and when they were added. Carefully review this list to identify the SSH key you want to remove. Next to the SSH key you want to delete, there's a delete or trash can icon. Click this. The icon might vary depending on the GitHub interface and setup, but it should clearly indicate removal. A confirmation window will pop up, double-checking that you really want to delete this key before you confirm. Make absolutely sure you've selected the key that needs to go. Then finally, confirm the deletion. That's it. The SSH key is now removed from your GitHub account. Now any access tied to that key is revoked. Consider generating a new key and adding it to your account to maintain secure access and refresh your credentials. Always remember to regularly audit your SSH keys and keep your account secure.